Hello guys, my name is Muskan and I want to share my biology notes with all of you. I hope you like it. So today I discuss the topic biodiversity. So let's start. The term biodiversity was introduced in 1985. Biodiversity means the variety of living organisms present in the particular region. The variety of living organisms such as animals, plants and fungi and even microorganisms make up our natural world. These species and organisms work together in ecosystem like an intricate web to maintain balance and support life. Biodiversity describes the richness and the variety of life on earth. It is the most complex and important feature of our planet. Biodiversity supports everything in nature that we need to survive, like food, clean water, medicine and shelter. India is one of the 12th countries which consists more than half of the diversity of the world. It is very important to have a good knowledge of biodiversity for livelihood. Types of biodiversity. There are three types of biodiversity present in the ecosystem. First, genetic biodiversity, species biodiversity and ecological biodiversity. First, genetic biodiversity. Genetic biodiversity refers to the variations of genes within species. Genes are the basic building blocks of various life forms. Human beings genetically belong to the Homo sapiens group and also different in height, color and physical appearance due to the genes variations. This genetic diversity is essential for a healthy breeding of population of species. Next, we will discuss species biodiversity. Species biodiversity refers to the variety of different types of species found in a particular area. It is the diversity at the most basic level. It includes all the species ranging from plant to different microorganisms. The diversity of species can be measured through its richness, abundance and types. Some areas are more rich in species than others. Area rich in species diversity are also known as hotspots of diversity. Third, ecological biodiversity. An ecosystem is a collection of living organisms and their interaction with each other. Ecological biodiversity refers to the variations in the plants and animals species that living together and connected by food chain and food webs. It is diversity observed among the different ecosystem in a region. Diversity in different ecosystems like deserts, rainforest and mangroves, etc. Significance or importance of biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the variety of living organisms and plays a crucial role in maintaining life on earth and has many importance in several ways. First, ecosystem stability. Biodiversity is essential for the stability and functioning of ecosystem. Each species within an ecosystem has a specific role and contributes to maintaining a balance. The loss of biodiversity can disrupt these delicate relationships, leading to ecosystem instability and increased floods, droughts and diseases. Second, ecological service. Biodiversity provides numerous ecosystem services that are vital for human beings. These services include the purification of air and water, nutrient cycle, soil formation and fertility, pollination of crops, regulation of pests and diseases and climate regulation. Without these services, humans would face significant challenges in food production, clean water availability and overall environmental health. Third, genetic resource. Biodiversity represents a vast genetic pool that offers valuable resources for various purposes. Many plants and animals have genetic traits that can be used for improving agricultural crops, developing new medicines and advancing biotechnology. This diversity is essential for adapting to environmental changes and developing resilient and sustainable solutions. Fourth, economic importance. Biodiversity plays a crucial role in economies worldwide. It forms the basis of several industries including agriculture, forestry, fisheries and tourism. These sectors generate significant revenue and employment opportunity. Furthermore, biodiversity rich areas often attract tourists, contributing to local economies through nature-based tourism. And fifth is medical resources. Biodiversity is a treasure trove of potential medical resources. Many plants, animals, and microorganisms possess bioactive compounds that have been used in traditional medicine and serve as the basis for the development of modern drugs. Preserving biodiversity increases the chances of discovering new pharmacies and treatments for various diseases. In summary, we can say that biodiversity is crucial for the conservation of life because it contributes to ecosystem stability, food security, medical resources, ecological services, etc.